In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery health on your MacBook. This is a handy way to see how much your battery has worn out and whether it might need replacing. To get started, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Then select About this Mac, followed by More Info. Scroll to the bottom and choose System Report. From the menu on the left, click Power. Here you'll find all the details about your battery, including its condition. Mine currently shows normal. The key thing to look at is the cycle count, which tells you how worn your battery is. A cycle count below 300 means excellent battery health. Between 300 and 700 is considered average wear. Anything above 700 to 1,000 usually means it's time to think about getting the battery replaced. Just check your cycle count to get a clear idea of your battery's condition. That's all you need to do. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful.